Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and confirming it's truly off. Flip the breaker and verify with a voltage tester. Once done, remove the trim and lens gently. Place screws in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. You should wear gloves and eye protection because dust and broken glass are common. You'll also want a replacement bulb, compatible socket parts, and a flashlight nearby. Don't waste time on extra tools. Begin the repair now with these essentials and clear work area. You now access the socket and wiring to diagnose the problem. First, remove the bulb and inspect the socket for corrosion, melted plastic, or loose contacts. These signs point to socket replacement. Once exposed, disconnect wires using wire nuts and label each conductor so reassembly is foolproof. Use a multimeter to test continuity and measure line voltage. A dead line or short will guide your next move. If the socket is salvageable, clean contacts. If not, prepare the replacement. You install the new socket or replace the bulb, making sure connections are tight and wire insulation is intact. Use new wire nuts and wrap exposed threads with electrical tape as needed. Once the fixture is reassembled, restore power at the breaker and test the light with a known good bulb. Observe for flicker or heat. If the spotlight still fails, re-isolate power and recheck wiring continuity, breaker output, and junction box connections. Often a loose splice or tripped GFCI is the hidden cause you'll find.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.